Hi there, and welcome to your Social Affiliates Network, Affiliate Center, the powerful command hub where you can manage everything related to your affiliate journey. Whether you're just starting out as a hustler, or you've upgraded to the Entrepreneur Club, or even a franchise partner, this dashboard is where you'll track your progress, earnings, and campaigns. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each tab inside the Affiliate Center and show you how to use them to maximize your performance and grow your income. Let's get started. A few things you will be able to see on your dashboard. You will see a summary for the month that shows total referrals, total earnings, pending referrals, clicks, conversion. Let's talk about clicks. Every time someone clicks your affiliate link, it's recorded. This helps you measure how much attention your link is getting, whether from WhatsApp, TikTok, Instagram, or email campaigns. The conversion rate on the clicks. This shows the percentage of people who actually signed up for free or made a purchase after clicking your link. For example, if 100 people clicked, but only 10 signed up for free or paid membership, your conversion rate is 10%. Use this section daily to see what's working and identify where to improve. The second tab you will see is Referrals. This is where you will see your total number of referrals. Let me explain what referrals mean. This shows how many people have signed up for free or made a purchase using your affiliate link. For example, if you referred 10 people to the Hustler membership, that number will reflect here. This is where you can also see your total earnings. This is your total commission so far, a real-time reflection of your affiliate income. Whether you've made 50 Rand from a Hustler referral or 25,000 Rand from a franchise sale, it's all tracked here.